It's interesting because when you start a YouTube channel, it kind of forces you to really reflect back on your life, because you are sort of trying to define yourself as a person, because you're trying to figure out this focus on who you're going to be as a YouTuber. I can't remember a time where I didn't care about what I was wearing. To me, it was always thought of as an expression of who I was. It was just my default. I never saw it as anything other than a priority. Throughout my career in the fashion industry, I worked for so many different types of brands and companies. The sort of pressures of, following trends and just always being on point, being current. Once I came out of the fashion industry, that was when I really kind of looked at myself and looked at my own personal style and really started to find my own personal aesthetic. I changed my expectations for the quality of the clothing that I wanted to wear, as well as that finding my newfound confidence, which has now led me to this channel. Ultimately, I'm just here to inspire people. I just want to share my experience of my journeys of somebody who is just prioritizing finding confidence in myself, as well as that really just focusing on looking for quality fashion, really quality in every aspect of my life. So, if I have to define who I am on this channel, who am I? I'm Emily Wheatley.